Product design is changing. So should your CAD software. Introducing Creo 7.0, the most innovative and powerful 3D CAD software on the market today. Creo 7.0 introduces AI-driven generative design, helping you to deliver your best designs in less time. Simply specify your engineering requirements, and the generative engine automatically produces manufacturable designs. And, unlike other CAD systems, the generative design capabilities in Creo 7.0 support parametric changes, allowing for seamless, iterative design development. Additionally, both additive and traditional manufacturing approaches can be effortlessly applied. The Generative Topology Optimization extension helps you deliver innovative products, replacing ineffective carryover features with breakthrough designs. Just set your design loads, constraints, material, and manufacturing method, and the software quickly optimizes your design for weight, safety factor, displacement, or temperature. The result is full B-Rep geometry that can be further analyzed and manipulated within the Creo design environment. And you can easily adjust your constraints and requirements to explore other options. Creo's cloud-based generative design extension takes the process a step further. You can use the power of the cloud to evaluate multiple design scenarios simultaneously. Of the numerous possible outcomes, the generative design extension automatically identifies the top options, including those you may not have considered, so you can quickly evaluate and select your best design solution. Sharpen your competitive edge with Creo Generative Design and enjoy improved performance, innovation, and time to market. With Creo 7.0, everyone can reap the benefits of generative design. Product design is changing, so should your CAD software. Creo 7.0, the future of how you design.